so confident. Ngifonele uMpilo ngamcela singicela sihlangane. I'm so confident. Oh, they wanna copy it. Slow down now. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, hello.
Morning. Ngaphila unjani?
Ngaphila.
Hallelujah. I received an unlikely invite from my sister Usne.
Okay, athi ngeke ifone. Right.
Basi mfethu wena njani?
Hayi, sikhona kuyancengeka.
I hope that she is here to say things that can repair our relationship, or then this is useless.
So ngithi ke ake sizokhuluma nje njengosisi njengama-siblings. Nakhona la sinyathelene khona sikulungise.
Inhlelonto.
Singaloku sithi hayi ngesilungise kusala sibandawonye. Sizalo babo yedwa.
Yeah,
noma singasazalo uma yedwa kodwa kusalayo. Sibandawonye ngekujikela ukumseleka umseliko.
Ngesibalekelane futhi.
Yes, ngesikubalekela. Ngaba nephutha, ngazibona futhi ngaba nephutha. So ngizoxolisa iphutha lami engalenzayo wena. Angixolisi ngoba mhlawumbe khona ongiphoqile noma njani. Ngixolisa ngokusuka kumina ukuthi kufanele ngixolise.
Cha phela ngoba wena wagcina wonile ufuna abone ngawe wena ukuthi wenza njani.
Uzozibona umkhulu.
No, akona ukuzibona umkhulu sine.
Egcineni fanele sizwane ngoba ngelinye ilanga ubabuye uhambe emhlabeni ashiye kuyoba njani masishile singasazwani. So kwebhana uthi hayi kanje ngcono izinto sizilungise manje ubabe sakhona ngoba asimazi ukuthi uhamba nini.
I'm very interested to fix things with her with this name. That's part of the reason why I came here. Now I have questions.
Kwenzekani impela sixatshaniswa yini mfethu? Because wena unkomunye umuntu ekhaya mfethu uyajela naye. Is it because mhlambe i-personality yami
vele nje nampilo sometimes ubungazi ukuthi umuntu konengani
kiswengena lo
kwenzekeni uvela
wena ukugejana nompumelelo nibe right nikhulume ngakusasa. Gejana abo nibe right nikhulume ngakusasa kwahluka kumina yabona.
Abona umpumesi ngiyaphika siye skejane kube ibona ababuyela kumina bazongikhulumisa. Wena awuzange ukwenze lokho.
Mina ngidalwe kanjalo yabo umuntu mengingazi ukuthi simep naye ngabuza ngisho uma ungizalayo angikwazi ukukhulumisa.
So I can't now mina go to you and apologize, an insincere apology at that, because I don't know what I'll be apologizing for. Living, shoot, I'm so sorry for being born. I'm so sorry for being your sister. Shoot, I should have never been born. I have no control over that, unfortunately.
For isikhathi nje eside ngike ngaba nokuthukuthela ngoba ngingazi manje ukuthi ngikwenzeni kana futhi manje awusho ukuthi ngikwenzeni. I was bengine-hurt nje leyo kodwa other than that anginankinga futhi nje kwesami nanothi uyaxolisa umusa nje bengalindelanga vethu uzoxolisa. So ngiyabonga bengakubambelanga qubu vele shuthi umuntu mexolisa ngiyaxolela mina sine angikazi ngingaxoleli bandla.
Ngithatha lokho ekushoyo ngizosho ukuthi ulamkelile iqolo lami ngoba kushuthi kusuke enhlizweni yakho ukuthi uyangixolela.
Kodwa ngicela ukuthi uma ungekho right ungenzele i-favor engaka ukuthi usho.
Ngiyakuzwa kodwa ngcono ke sesiright.
Mfethu hayi ngiyaxolisa nebehalf kodwa ungitshela mfethu ngiserious yazi
ngizokutshela
ngifundela lapha ngiyambona
lento kucela
lento. Nice. That season njani kids? Bana
hayi ba right.
Indlelonto.
Babona
ngajabulela upapa lo wona mostly ngoba uthando listendo so umuntu asimuthi bona. Hayi. Papa nada mcela.
uzombona.
So siyabona in this video Usne Mseleko ebiza meeting with Umpilo usiswakhe, trying to make amends for what had previously happened between them. Leya ngxabano leya Usne abambambela yona meeting kuThando neSithembu. Nabo ke sebefuzama ukuthelelana amanzi kuyingane zeSithembu. Tell me, what do you think? Baxolelene ngempela, is apology sincere uxolisa ngoba exolisa kuphuma enhlizweni yakhe, or uxolisa ngoba uMacele told her to do that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Goodbye.